Waalaikumsalam Far. Far, Alhamdulillah. So kita orang baru habis ni, kita orang main dinner Far. Ini pun dalam orang kata tu sesi apa, makan bersama laupan, okay? So here we have our brother. Dia baru belanja air minum teh, okay guys? Teh 80 sen saja dekat sini, okay? Kat One J Road. Bang, memperkenalkan diri dan please let the viewers know you punya brand, you punya company. So what do you guys do?
Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum everybody. Nama saya Nurman Mubarak. I'm the one of the founders for Nasi Lemak Ayam Taliwang. Currently we have about 30 stalls in Singapore lah. So we are here now to just
main-main ke 30 gig. Masya-Allah.
Masya-Allah. Yeah, we have sekarang kita bawa sembang-sembang makan early dinner at a legendary shop lah called dulu panggil kedai original Clementi
Abang Muslim Food.
Original Abang Muslim Food. Dia dah retransform and now he's the man himself here. He's serving over 1,000 outlets, brothers. 1,000 outlets in Singapore, helping stalls and food courts and shops to go and revolutionize how food is served. Right, so one of the shops is here. It's called Abang by Pondok Abang, a very heritage food. Tengoklah kita makan. Legend dia makan semua kosong.
How did you start the business? What inspired you to start the business of Nasi Lemak Ayam Taliwang?
To be honest, it's all, I think we share the same history lah. We were helping our parents to open up shop. Dulu saya family jual nasi lemak kan. Pukul 3, 4 pagi bangun tolong mak bapak bikin nasi lemak, jual nasi lemak, pergi sekolah. So when I grow up, that's the only thing that I'm confident in lah, jual nasi lemak. Tak tidur pun boleh masak nasi lemak. So after my son was born, I was thinking how can I do better and stay beside my family lah while I'm earning a living. Because I used to be overseas a lot for the last 14 years. I was always overseas.
Kerja apa tu Man?
Kerja as a flight attendant and also as a offshore engineer lah. So these two were my full-time jobs before. So I met my wife who was also a flight attendant, and apparently I didn't know after we got married, and I found out she was a good cook. So dia masak ayam taliwang kan. A few times came, sedap banget ayam taliwang kan. Kalau macam combine dengan nasi lemak maybe mungkin jadi lah. So we tried and do a bit of R&D, Alhamdulillah. So I thought after doing some prayers, advice from my parents, we decided to open our own shop lah dekat Yishun Park Hawker Center. So that's where we started lah. So now Alhamdulillah we are quite consistent and established. And we want to also continue with this legacy that our parents have started lah. Sama dengan Hassan juga, parents started, then we continue the legacy. Hopefully we can pass down to our kids lah.
So Man, what do you think of the food? Sini punya makanan Nusantara. So it's a fusion of like Malaysian, Singaporean, Indonesian. It's not specifically distinctive. Tapi dia dah macam dah dicampurkan. So what do you think of this kind of kirakan dishes? Instead of being very authentic, maintaining into one identity.
I think Singapore is very unique in such a sense that we have that ability and also that capacity to do this. Not many countries, let's say Malaysia or Indonesia, they're very distinctive Malaysian, very distinctive Indonesian.
Boleh gaduh lah.
Boleh gaduh, betul. But in Singapore, because of the cultural mix, right, we are very lucky to have a lot of fusion in our food that also happens to be very nice, and it became Singaporean. So not a lot of people know. There actually a lot of food are all fusion from different cultures.
Betul. That being said, also Alhamdulillah, Singapore's hawker culture is also UNESCO punya apa nama dia? It's rated as a heritage lah, UNESCO heritage. Alhamdulillah.
Heritage awards lah. That we are trying to upkeep lah.
And for you guys are Michelin?
We are Michelin guide rated for the last 4 years. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. And recently you dapat lagi surat Michelin tu apa?
Itu lah Michelin guide rated lah.
Baik.
They renew us for the next 1 year lah.
Alhamdulillah.
The new stall, we inshallah we are opening in Bandung in January 2025. So more details will come out soon.
Alright guys, so there you go. Kalau you nak makan nasi ayam taliwang, you can go to Nurman's social media platforms. I believe sama dengan website. Definitely they will state ada 30 outlet guys. You nak ada check mana yang terdekat, so you guys can drop by to the nearest outlet. Enjoy the nasi ayam taliwang. Thank you.